Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
If you've ever wanted to make your workflow smoother by connecting Notion and Canva, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have Notion and Canva synced together, making it easy to streamline projects, automate tasks, and save yourself from endless manual copy-pasting. So let's dive in and connect Notion to Canva using Zapier, step by step. To begin, head over to the Zapier website. If you've never used Zapier before, it's an incredibly helpful tool for automating processes between different apps, no coding required. Once you're on Zapier, look for the Create button. This is usually up in the top corner. Go ahead and click it. What you're doing here is starting the process of building a Zap. That's Zapier's term for an automated workflow connecting apps for you. When you hit Create, you'll see the option to start a new Zap. Click on Zap, and you'll be taken into the setup screen. Now, to make things easy, instead of searching manually for hours, just type in what you want. In the search bar, type Copilot Connect Notion to Canva. Zapier has some smart shortcuts here, and this search brings up the right template for connecting your Notion to Canva. Think of it like asking your GPS for the fastest route. This shortcut saves you a lot of time and confusion. After that, Zapier will set up the basic automation for you. You'll see an outline of the workflow. This might feel a bit technical at first glance, but don't worry. It's more straightforward than it looks. You're going to link your accounts, which lets Zapier do the heavy lifting in the background. Next up, you'll see an Actions section in the workflow. Here's where the magic happens. You need to connect your Notion account to the automation. Click on the option to log into Notion, and Zapier will prompt you for your credentials. Take your time here. The connection might take a minute, and you'll probably be asked to give Zapier permission to access your Notion workspace. This is perfectly normal, and it's Zapier's way of making sure your information stays secure. Once you're logged in, you'll see confirmation, and Notion is officially linked. Now, do the same with Canva. Again, you'll be prompted to connect Canva by logging in and authorizing Zapier. Sometimes, there can be two-factor authentication or permission screens. If you see one, just follow the steps, and don't worry if it takes a few moments. When it's done, you'll see that Canva is now part of your automated workflow. With both Notion and Canva connected, it's just about finalizing things. Double-check that both services are logged in and linked, as if you're checking both doors are locked before you leave the house. Once you're sure everything looks good, go ahead and click Publish to activate your automation. Zapier will take care of everything from here, syncing your data and actions between Notion and Canva automatically. And that's it. Your workflow is now set up. All that's left is to let Zapier do its thing. Remember, you can always come back to Zapier to tweak your automation or connect more apps. But for now, you've made a big step toward a more productive, organized day. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. Drop a comment below if you've got any questions or want to share how you're using Notion and Canva together. And don't forget to hit subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and have a fantastic day creating.